Hi everyone, I'm here to introduce the Mactun from McAlpine. This is commonly used on pressure relief and sealed system discharges. The valve is a non-return valve with no mechanical moving parts. It has got a lot of advantages being maintenance free. To let you see the pressure test with no mechanical moving parts, this is as easy as you can possibly have it without putting a manometer in place to show you the pressure. So the last thing you want in a habitable space is actually the smell, odour, airborne pathogens entering the building. Now, the quick test to this is by using a simple kid's balloon. And you will see, and I know you can't in the film, see hissing or anything, so I take a polystyrene ball and place it in the top. You will see there is absolutely no back pressure or movement, and nothing can come back into the system. Thank you.